Are you frustrated with missing YouTube movies and TV sections on your account? Well, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, but don't worry. Today, I'll discuss how to fix YouTube movies and TV missing. We've got you covered with practical steps and solutions so you can enjoy your favorite content without any interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you need to do is verify that your internet is connected and fast enough to stream content. Weak or spotty connections can disrupt service and cause issues like missing sections on YouTube. Start by resetting your router or modem. For users experiencing persistent issues, consider contacting your internet service provider to troubleshoot further or upgrade your internet package for higher speeds. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. An outdated YouTube app can lead to missing features, including the movies and TV sections. Head over to your device's app store and look for any available updates for the YouTube app. Download and install these updates to ensure that you're using the latest version of the application. This not only fixes bugs, but also ensures that you have all access to all current features YouTube offers. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Accumulated cache and cookies can sometimes cause issues. On mobile devices, go to your settings, find the YouTube app, and clear both cache and data. If you're using a web browser, go to your browser settings, navigate to privacy or security options, and clear cache or cookies there. After clearing, relaunch the YouTube app or website and check if the movies and TV sections have reappeared. Step 4. Try alternative browsers or devices. Sometimes browser compatibility issues can affect the appearance of certain YouTube features. Try accessing YouTube through a different web browser, like switching from Safari to Chrome, or vice versa. Alternatively, try logging in on another device altogether. This can help identify the issue if it's device specific or a broader problem with your account. Step 5. Check account verification and region settings. Ensure that your YouTube account is fully verified. An unverified account might not have access to all features, including movies and TV. Also, check your region settings. Content availability can differ based on where you're from. If you're using a VPN, it might disrupt your region settings. Make sure to disable it so that you can ensure access to YouTube movies and TV. Step 6. Contact YouTube support. If all else fails, reach out to YouTube support for assistance. They can provide personalized help to resolve your issue. Visit the YouTube Help Center, log into your account, and submit a request explaining your problem clearly. Provide screenshots or detailed descriptions to support the process.